Hey guys, Galucia here, and today I am going to show you how to install IndustrialCraft. But to do that, I need to show you how to find IndustrialCraft first. That's going to be key. So, just do a Google search for IndustrialCraft. The top thing that should come up is industrialcraft.net, and you're just going to click on the download button, which takes you here. It's easy enough. I'll put a link in the description, but I mean, you know, easy enough. So you're going to want to download a couple different things. You're going to want to download, right here on the top is Minecraft for 1.2.5. Obviously, if you have an older version of Minecraft for some reason, they have those available, but that gets a little more complicated, so we're only going to talk about the most recent one. So you're going to download the jar for the client, excuse me, and then you're going to download this dude, ModLoader, and this dude, MC Forge. You don't need ModLoader MP unless you're using an older version of IndustrialCraft, which we're not. Now, I'm not going to download these right now because I already have them downloaded and ready to go. If you watched the last video, then you should have your Minecraft shortcut right there, which pulls that up on the other screen so you can't see it. That's convenient. Okay, so a couple things you can do. Number one, before I do anything with mods and whatnot, okay, what I like to do is make a backup of your Minecraft jar as it is, unaltered. Because if this all goes wrong, then you can just revert back to the old Minecraft jar and you don't have to completely reinstall Windows. Or Windows. I hope you wouldn't have to reinstall Windows with Minecraft. So you can make a backup of that, okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need WinRAR for this. If you don't have WinRAR, I'll put the link for that in the description as well, but it's basically just a program that lets you unzip and zip up files and like zip files and RAR files and stuff like that. So I already have it. So you're going to click WinRAR, open with, and then you're going to WinRAR Archiver. This is going to open up your Minecraft jar folder, okay? There's going to be a big thing here that says metainf and all caps and all that crap. That has to get deleted. If you're doing anything with mods, metainf goes away. Otherwise, you'll just get a black screen of nothing, okay? The first thing we're going to do is we're going to install ModLoader, okay? I just opened it up on the other screen again. Oh, go away. Whoa, this is a trial version and blah, 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 blah. Okay, there's ModLoader, all right? So I have it on my other screen, but basically, you're just going to highlight everything and drag it into here like a show. And just click OK. It's going to say, oh, you want to do this and that? Yes, okay. Alright, so there you go. Now I'm going to close this crap out. And I'm going to open up Minecraft. And I like to, after each step I take, I like to open up Minecraft just to be sure that it worked. That way, if it doesn't work for some reason, then you know where it went wrong. Okay? So we just installed ModLoader, and obviously Minecraft launched, so no issues there. Closing Minecraft. Going back into the Minecraft folder. Now that we've installed ModLoader, it's added a folder for us called mods. That's going to be important in a minute, not right this second. So the next thing we're going to have to do, we're going to go back into our Minecraft jar, like a show. Bam. The next thing we're going to have to do is install that other thing I told you to download, which was the MC Forge, which I'm also going to move once I get open because it makes it easier for me to drag, get multiple monitors, get on my level. So you're gonna, and that's a big one. That has a ton of stuff inside of it. So you're gonna highlight all that stuff, drag it into here. Takes a second because, like I said, there is a lot of it. Click OK. Boom. All right. So excuse me once again. That should be good. Once again, I'm going to open up Minecraft. You don't have to do this. This is just kind of like my own tedious step because, again, we know that ModLoader worked. So if right now Minecraft doesn't launch for some reason, which it did, if it didn't, then we would know that it was the fault of MC Forge, and then we can figure out why and what went wrong. Now, your last step that you're going to take is in your mods folder. Bam. All you have to do is take your Minecraft jar, which I have to go find. I downloaded it, so I just gotta go find it. I have a ton of hard drives. Downloads, and blah 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 blah. Where is it? Industrial. Okay, and I have a ton of them. As you can see, there's a bunch of different Minecraft jars, or Industrial Craft jars, rather. I want the most recent one, which is 1.97. Okay, copy that. And we're going to just throw that jar into the mods folder. And that's all you should have to do for Industrial Craft to now be installed and running. Once again, we're going to check, because I tried to do this earlier because I had 1.95b installed. And there's just not a lot of changes made. Ah, there we go. And I got an error. Okay, Minecraft Forge is not properly installed. Possibly reasons include. It's installed, so we can check that off the list. Minecraft Forge is installed in the mods folder. No, we took care of that. One or more mods have been installed in the wrong order. No. One or more installed mods are incompatible with Minecraft. No. Huh. Missing hook. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. Whoa, it closed on its own right before I got done reading it. Okay. So, since that didn't work, I'm going to... Now, I had it working no problem with the older version with 1.95b, which I should still have. So I'm going to try that one instead, because I haven't actually tried 1.97 yet. Minecraft mods, it's a lot of trial and error. But like I said, I know that that one worked before, so if it doesn't work now, then I'm going to say it's MC Forge's fault, because I had it working with an older version of MC Forge as well. Oh, no, there we go. Okay, so for some reason 1.97 wasn't working for me, but 1.95 is no problem. Now, if you already had an Industrial Craft world for some reason, which I have many, and for some reason Industrial Craft isn't installed properly, it could completely break that save file. Do not load a freshly installed mod like this and load your world that you already have. So if for some reason you, like, say your friend sent you an Industrial Craft world to check out, so you installed Industrial Craft, it will totally break the save file. So we're just going to create a random thing real quick here in Creative, and this is how I'm going to test it, and this is the best way to test it. Okay, just make a brand new world in Creative, and once it launches, what you should have is all the Industrial Craft stuff added, which we do. You can see it all here. Okay, and as long as we can place it, then that should basically mean that it works. If I can put this down, which I can, and set it on fire. Okay, I'll try a redstone torch. Yep, that did it. So, since this is really loud, by the way, I need to fix my settings. This is going to be really loud in about 5 seconds. But if this blows up and makes a giant hole, then Industrial Craft works. And what better way to test a server than with a nuke? What? That was hilarious. Splash. Oh, that was hilarious. I've never done that before in Creative. Wow. Why did it make such a giant hole? It made like it like actually got rid of the water sources too, which I love when that happens. Okay, clearly it worked. So there you go. So and I'll delete that later. So that is how you go about installing Industrial Craft. So now you can play along with Galucia. But the only other things going on now is I did have some other mods, and I use Optifine, I use Minimap, and all kinds of stuff. And I do like using those other ones, and they're all very compatible. So I'm going to make another tutorial for Optifine for the video after this one, because that's the key one, because that's the one that lets you use HD texture packs. That's if you have a computer that's not up to snuff, that's the one that's going to let you kind of turn off a bunch of things. You can turn off rain, you can turn off clouds, you can do different things to kind of help your computer along. And for someone like me with a beast computer, it lets you use multiple threads so that you can have ridiculously long render distances and preloaded chunks and all kinds of good stuff. So we're going to do a Optifine deal here on the next tutorial for Minecraft coming up very soon. Thanks for watching. Laters.